Okay, so we're going to do a force and motion interactive kind of game, right? So it's a slide. It's like the one that we just did. They're kind of fun. Okay, so force and motion. Number 2. It shows you get to pick the things that they're doing. Is he skateboarding, riding a bike, swimming? So decide which one. And then at the bottom it says blank is the act of moving. And I believe that would be this one. Okay, so now down here. Label if the movement is a straight, zigzag, or circular. Is this straight, zigzag, or circular? Okay. Which one? So you can pick which one, straight, zigzag, or circular. Tug of war, Ferris wheel. Oh, look at that. And then it looks like, what is this girl doing? It looks like she's just laying on her bed. Okay, or swimming or something. So pick which one you think that is. Next one. Draw the arrows to show the direction of the movement. Okay, so which one is it? Which one goes down? Oh, put it to where you think it is. Which one goes this way, that way, and that way. All right, next, number 5. See, this is like a game. Which one is push and which one is pull? A push or pull that makes something move is called a what? A force. Okay. Number 6. Label the force as a push or a pull. So, is this pushing? Is going like this on the river or on water? Is that pulling or pushing? How about a tetherball or push-ups? Decide which one it is. And then on this side, it says, a push moves something away or towards you. Pick which one. And then a pull is something that moves away or towards you. Pick which one. Okay? And then number 7. Label the force as a push or a pull. A hockey stick with a hockey puck. Going on the monkey bars. Is that a pull or a push? And then climbing. And then a bow and arrow. And then you get to say a push moves something blank away or towards you, and a pull moves something blank away or towards you. Pick which one it is. And I believe that is the last one. Have fun.